everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure by now most of you do know that I recently got rock hard and I'm getting married this year in the month of November. It's unbelievable, to imagine that I'm finally getting married to someone that I know from a very, very long time. And I'm super thrilled to finally be a bride, which is why I am researching and trying out a lot of different makeup looks um, for every kind of ceremony of the wedding. And today I wanted to show you a makeup look that I've thought of creating on myself for my Mehendi ceremony. So it's nothing over the top because it's going to be a day function. It's something very, very natural, dewy, very luminous, yet very colorful at the same time. Okay, I can't wait. Let's begin. I'll start by prepping the face with the Lakmé Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Now this one not only mattifies the skin really well, but it's long lasting and the formula helps to set the makeup base that doesn't budge come what may. Up next, I will be pumping just a coin-sized amount of the Lakmé 95 Natural CC Cream and apply it all over my face in tiny dots like I usually do. Now, in this CC Cream, I'm in the shade Honey. So I'm just going to go blend with the Trusted Sponge. This one I feel gives a much more brighter look along with a very nice natural luminous finish that stays put for long, plus providing UV protection at the same time. So what else do you want, right? Now for the eyes, I'm using the Lakmé 95 Quartet Eye Color in the shade Tanjore Rush. I love the name. So I'm gonna just first use this beautiful golden shade all across the eyelid, and the color payoff can be increased if you want more. Then I'm using this divine copper color over the crease line to create a very subtle shadow effect. And to give a bit distinction, I'm just going to use this olive green shade and I'm going to line my eyelids with it. Moving on, I am using the Lakmé Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal. I am going to swipe this smudge proof and a jet black kajal across the waterline. Now I feel it's super important for a bride to look awake and fresh, so applying a kajal is absolutely imperative. And then I'm going to take the same bronze shade from the Quartet and I'm going to top it up on the kajal, just on the outer section to create a smoky effect. Now, I know falsies are a huge hit with the brides, but if you're someone who wants to go with the natural look and if you think that thick lashes are more your thing, then the Lakmé Curling Mascara should be your one weapon army. Just finish off the look with this mascara by giving a few generous coats on the lashes, and it instantly gives a lot of volume to my eyes. Okay, for the cheeks, I have the Lakmé Absolute Blush Duo in Peach Blush. It's got two beautiful shades and I'm going to use the lighter shade for my cheeks and the darker shade to sculpt my face. Both these shades are very natural and I think it looks perfect for a subtle day makeup look. The final step, for the lips, I am using the Lakmé Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Vintage Pink. Now, I will not lie, the reason I chose this lipstick is because it really complements my skin tone, I feel. So this one is like a beautiful pink shade and it has a velvet matte texture and has an amazing color payoff. So this is the look. So you can create this bridal makeup tutorial using all the products that I've used, and everything will be mentioned in the information box below. I really enjoyed shooting this video and I hope you enjoyed watching it too. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.